Hello everyone, welcome to part 9 of dating series, and in this video we will continue working on the dating profile. We are going to do the dating form, that is the second step in the registration form in the user registration, and this is the second step. You know that how we come here. First, the user fills the basic form. After that, this form has come, and in this form we have done so far date of birth, gender, height, and marital status. Now we will add more fields, more functionality we need to do for more fields. We will add fields like body type, complexion, city, state, country, languages, and more fields we are going to add. Uh, and there are few things we need to see, and uh, open that guru.in website again. From here I am copying the feature. We need some help from some other website, so that we can know that which feature we need to add. Some of the other feature we will add from some other thing as well. So just simply add this one, see here, and you are going to see that here we will now do marital status. This is a simple drop down that we will do, and then no children, leave this one. Body type we will do, complexion we will also add, and after that we will add city, state, and country we will also add. And for country, we will do it from table. We will add one country's table, then we will add its model as well, because these countries we can use for various purposes, yeah, for partner details or some other thing as well. So it will be easier for us for managing countries from database. And after that we will add languages and hobbies also. This is the multiple selection. You can see that we can select uh, multiple items here. So this we will also do, and all these things we are going to do here now in this video. And so in part 9 of dating series, we will continue working on dating form, and this time we will add fields like that fields like vital status. We have already added body type, fields like body type and complexion, and along with that we can add city, uh, state, country, and languages and hobbies. All this comes in personal information, languages and hobbies. Okay, and we are going to store the values of these fields into table that we have created separate table for it. User details, in users basic information is coming, and user detail more information is coming about users. So we are going to store here, and here we will give like this personal information, and we will also give here personal information in place of add dating profile. So one thing I'm going to do it right now. See, I will add personal information, so it will be more clear to us that which details we are filling. So yeah, I will add here more details, and for country, one more thing we will do table extra. So let's start working on updating. Update step 2.blade.php file. Okay, and this, uh, we will now add additional fields, and more fields, uh, and uh, that we can copy from guru.in, like I have told you. Okay, and okay, let's do, and yeah, yeah, it's fine. And I'm going to do this task, and I'm going to see. First, I'm going to add this one. I'm going to add body type complexion. Yeah, body type I'm going to add. You can simply copy this if you know how to copy from any browser. So we can copy this thing, and yeah, here I'm going to add after marital status. I'm going to copy this one again because here we can make changes, and we will first add body type. Yeah, body type we will add here. Body type like this, and here we can copy that part. Little HTML, and this portion we can pick. Okay, like this you can copy the data from any website if you require, but the permissions you require, like yes, you can copy such kind of details, but don't copy something that uh, that website objects. So copy only the data that is common data, means but not the one uh, that you not have to do. Okay, like this. Can just simply do like this, and I can see this added or not, and see body type has been added here also. We will put select. Okay, and here also I'm going to give its name body type, like this. Okay, so one more field I'm going to add complexion as well. Okay, I'm going to copy this one again to complexion, and going to add like this complexion. Okay, and going to copy complexion values as well. And so I can do it in the similar way. Edit as HTML, then I can copy all these fields. Maybe 4 5 fields are there, and I'm going to copy those fields, and I'm going to paste it here. So it will be look like this. Fine, and I'm going to write here select, and going to remove all this kind of stuff. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm going to do that, and like this, and here I'm going to add complexion. Okay, complexion like this. Okay, easy. So complexion we have also added. We can check back once again that this uh, field has been added or not. See, it has also added. That is the simple field after complexion, cause, religion, mother tongue, these fields, and we will add now the two simple fields like city and state. You can copy that simple text field. Okay, no need to do everything, no need to write everything again and again. And this one you can add twice, and here we can give city and state here, and you can give here like city. Okay, and city will give here as well. Okay, city. Okay, and yeah, like this, very simple. And here we will give state. Okay, yeah, then here you can give state as well. Very simple also. And see, yeah, like this you can give city and state, and we can check back now that it is fine or not. See, we have entered four fields up till now. See, city and state, it is fine. It is the same size as this one. And uh, CSS, for CSS you can do CSS perfectly, so that these columns will be more good. Our main concentration is on functionality, so we are not means uh, not doing much in CSS. and state fields are also added. Okay. Now, see, after adding this field, now country field we will work on, but for country field, we need to add countries table. Okay. So we will search Google for it. Okay. Uh, See now, uh, after adding these fields, we need to add country field, and for that we need to search Google. We need to search Google and can get from it. Okay. See, I'm going to tell you that uh, now create countries table. Okay. For creating countries table, uh, search Google like countries MySQL table, because all the list of countries, if we will get the list and then how you will insert one by one, it will take too much time. So countries in MySQL form is available on net and you can get it very easily. The task can be done in 2-3 minutes. Search Google like my countries MySQL table. Okay, we are going to search it. Okay, see, first link I am going to open, and uh, and yeah, I got, see, all the countries are there. I can simply copy these countries into my table. I will create, this time I will create manually. Okay, so, Google and uh, get uh, the list from any of the link in MySQL queries form. Okay, MySQL queries, and we have got this list. And what I will do, just simply this list, yeah, fine, and I'm going to add the list here in Sublime. Okay. See, I am not going to use this name as underscore countries. I am going to update this name. Okay. So very simple. I am going to make it like countries. Okay. And now I can copy this one and will run here in our dating project. I can run very simple and see here and go. Okay. Now see, now it has done. We can see our countries table is ready. See, our country table is ready within 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes. See, we have got the complete countries data from the from internet and nothing to do. And this list we can simply create. Okay. Okay. Now we have seen that how we got these countries, and after getting these countries, now what we will do, we will also create country model. Okay. So next step is we will create country model. Okay, model that you already know how we create this one. Okay, we, uh, we create country model by running below command, that is PSP artisan make model country. Very simple one. We are going to run. Okay, this one. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to run one more. Okay, and here I'm going to run this command. Yeah, now it's done, and We can check here as well. See, it has come now. Fine. So we have added the country model as well, and now we will use this in here in grade file. But before that, we are going to update the step 2 function from where we will get these countries. Okay, so now in next step, we are going to update step 2 function. We will now update step 2 function to get the country list, okay, to be used in editing form. Okay, so we are going to do this one, and step 2 is present in our users controller, and I will go to step 2. Here I am also writing we will now update to in users controller, so that you will not keep on searching where it is. Use controller to get the country list, and here I am going to do and I'm going to do means not in post but outside post, because country we require outside post every time that country drop down must come. So now we have done that thing, countries. Now we can get from model, country model here, and you can simply do like this, because country you don't require any kind of ascending descending order, because it seems to be in order. So we can simply get these countries like this, and we can also return it with very simple thing like this. Okay, yeah, very fine. And these countries we can get like this, and this we can use. Yeah, seems to be fine. Now we will check once. We are going to refresh once that no issue is coming, and yeah, as expected, we got the issue. We need to add header as well, so we will add here header. Okay, so we are going to update header. That header, okay, header statement. And now add header, add below header statement to include this to include country model. If we can do like this, use app country like this, and country I'm going to add like this. Fine, very simple. And see, now no error is coming, but we need to update the blade file now to show the countries now. Okay, so now what will we do? We are going to update our blade file. So we will update step 2.blade.php file. Now we will update step 2 blade file to show countries drop down, select drop down. Okay, in foreach. Okay. See, first of all, I can copy this one similar kind of thing, and can copy here. Then I'm going to add country here. Okay, and here I can also add country. Okay, now after adding country, I can keep this one here at rate of foreach, and in countries variable we are getting everything. I can add like country. Okay, this one I can remove. Okay, and this one we can do like this. Okay, and now option will come here, and this country, this one I'm going to use like country. Then we will see the table. Country name. Okay, we are going to make this one simple. Like I'm going to change the country code to code only. Save. Okay, and here to country name to name only, because it is clear that in country table code and name belongs to country only, so we can rename so that it will be easier for us here. Okay, and here also we are going to show here same thing. Here also we are going to show to update here. Now I'm going to see that country list is coming or not, and uh, some issue has come, spelling mistake. Countries are must be here. Okay, so now the list of country is arrived, and from our table we have seen that how we have done for countries. Okay, so now in the next step, what we will use, we are going to uh, add languages with multiple selection. Okay, like this. Okay, with multiple selection we will add languages. Okay, so for languages also, first we will create a table. Okay, now we will create we will add uh, languages which uh, drop down in which uh, we can make multiple selection. Okay, and and uh, languages table also we will search in Google. Okay, so we are going to create languages table this time. Languages table. Okay, now we will search Google for keyword. Any keyword you can search, but I am going to search like same keyword languages, MySQL table. You can search for your own keyword as well, mm, and will and will copy languages table. Okay, uh, from of the uh, any of the links. Okay, so uh, now this time I am going to search for the languages. MySQL table, you can also search like this, and I can open the first link. See here languages table, and I can now copy all these languages. Okay, and here I'm going to do it in SQL like this, and I'm going to go here and see if it can import all the languages. Heavy data like countries, languages, hobbies. For that, we can make new tables from which we can simply fetch the data and can show in editing form. Okay, and so we need to do like this, and see now it has been done. Now I will check languages, browse. We can browse and see the list of the languages that we have imported, and see it is coming fine. See English is coming at the top, and after that but we will show it is in mixed order, but we will show in alphabetical order. That is not an issue. Okay. So after creating this languages table, we will create language model as well in the same way like we have created the country model. So now we will create language model. Okay, create model language like this. Okay, so uh, now create language model by running below command. Okay, this one. Okay, so it you can run PHP artisan make model language. Okay, this command you can run now. Simple command, and going to run here. Okay, has been created. Now after creating language model, uh, again we need to follow the same step. I am going to update this uh, update step 2 function. Okay, so same step we are repeating again and again for everything. Update step 2 function now, and uh, now we will fetch all languages in step 2 function to return them to uh, add dating blade file. Okay, so in the similar manner I will do this task, but now I will take alphabetically. I will also add alphabetically. Okay, so after doing this one, here you can also get uh, all countries. It is, and here get all languages. Okay, now we can do like this languages, and here we can do language language. Language. After that, we are going to use here order by. Okay, because here we want language in alphabetical order, so we will do like this, and after that we will do get. Okay, like this. So this one we will send now here. Along with this we can send here. Fine, and now it is ready to use languages as well in bed file. Okay, so now we are going to update step 2 dot blade dot php file. Okay, uh, now we will add languages, drop down, uh, select drop down uh, in step 2 blade file, but this time we will add multiple uh, keywords to select multiple items. Okay, and with array. So you just see that what I am going to do here, very simple, and I can first copy this one in this similar manner, and here I am going to add languages like this. Okay, and here also we are getting all the languages like this, and here also language. Okay, and to for here languages all at once, and now the main task. Now see, if I'm going to update it like this, it will come like, yeah, again add language class at the top. Okay, so don't forget to update the header in user controller. Okay, now update header use app language. Okay, so update header user controller, update header statement. Okay, now add below header statement for including language model. You can use in small, that is correct, not an issue. Use app language. Okay, like this. Can add it like this. Okay, also save, and I'm going to use small. Then the issue will not come. And see, now all the languages have been added, but now we need to do multiple selection here. See here, there is no multiple selection so far. So for this, very simple, we will add multiple keywords with this multiple selection. Okay, yeah, see here, we will add multiple here, and this one simple like this, and also we will do this array. Okay, so I'm going to search it now. See, the same like here, its same thing has appeared now. Okay, see, now you can select multiple selection. Okay, so now it seems to be perfect, and if you will send the data to check, then you can find that everything seems to be perfect. Okay, see, I'm going to enable this one to check, and now I add some data like this. Any data you can add, not an issue, we are doing for testing. Okay, now see, submit. See, languages are coming like this array: 0 element, 1 element, 2 element, 3 element. It is coming as a array, and we are getting all the languages like this. Okay, so now it seems to be perfect, and we can also add hobbies like this. And hobbies data you will get or not, I am not sure that you will get hobbies data, but if you will not get hobbies data, then you can add manually. But you can also, yeah, add table for hobbies, or you can uh, means just simply copy paste this one also. It's your wish, or you can means do with this method, means you can like we have done for languages and countries, you can also do the same thing for hobbies as well. Okay, but that's all for now, and we will continue add about myself and partner details, and going to submit it, and then the data will come here in user details, and we are complete with this thing. After that, we are going to show this data in admin panel, and then admin will approve that data. Then only the user can able to search other profiles, contact other profiles, send message to them, and can avail other features as well. So we will do everything else also, but one by one, step by step. So uh, in next video, uh, we will continue with other fields as well, and uh, and then insert or data in users detail table to show them in admin as well, where every profile going to approve by admin. So stay tuned for next video. everything is clear to you up till now, and you able to know that how we can get any data uh, from internet. Hobbies data also you can get if it is available, but you need to search for it, because I am not sure that if you will get hobbies data or not. And if you will get hobbies data like MySQL data, then in the same manner uh, you can add the data into your table, and you can fetch that data in form also, and then that data will be saved. And also there are two methods to save this language. You can either save it in separate table, or you can save it with comma, when we will insert here language table, you will add the data in comma, like Africans comma Albanian comma, like this. And in edit as well, we can explode it and we can show it. We will see that there are many ways to select the already inserted data. So we will do everything in next video. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.